Now we have one more demo, right? One more demonstration. SAP is a very large partner of ours, and we work in their ecosystem.
We do.
And can we show Aviator inside of a SAP ecosystem?
Yes, we will. So I'm going to change personas now. I'm logged in as this individual named Peter Williams. Peter Williams works in the procurement department. And every company has to buy and sell things. So how does Aviator help us do what we do in the context of our own business process? Again, I'm that individual in procurement. I'm looking at a standard ECM from the eyes of OpenText. And by the way, before you got into this system or before you became a customer, you lived in Salesforce. And then once you became a customer or vendor, you lived in this thing called SAP. And we all exist in this thing called HR. Key differentiator for OpenText is permission-based responses.
Yeah.
I cannot...
We're the platform that provides the data integrity across those environments.
Exactly. And I cannot ask it, no offense, Mark, what your personal address is. Even though Aviator knows, it won't tell me I'm not authorized for that information. So let's have a look on how Aviator is going to help me do my job in the context of what I do for the organization. So I'm going to open up a contract, and you can see inside the business workspace, there is the Aviator button. But OpenText is not the company or the software that pays or buys stuff. We support procure to pay, order to cash, hire to retire, but we're not the system that actually records that. We are the supporting system that deals with the unstructured data. So what would it be like, Mark, if I went straight into SAP, straight into that transaction? That's one of the value adds of the business workspace. It takes us right into the transaction inside of SAP, and we'll just center the screen, and I want to pop Aviator in here.
So now in a business workspace inside of SAP.
In a procurement contract.
In a procurement scenario.
So the first question I want to ask it here, Mark, is what is the contract?
Our data platform running underneath SAP, Aviator seamlessly integrated.
Right, and it's getting not only the data from documents that we're housing, but also the metadata that SAP houses. So it's a dual effect where we're basically cross-referencing all the answers.
We could apply this to HR. We could apply this to sales orders. In this case, we're applying it to procurement.
You can apply it to asset management if you want, if you're doing that sort of stuff inside of SAP. So next thing I want to know, is there any special clauses, risky clauses? You can word it any way you like on the prompt engineering. I just want to know if there are clauses. Yes, there are some clauses in there.
So going in there and analyzing a contract inside of SAP.
Absolutely. Next thing I want to do after seeing the clauses, I'm happy with the clauses, or I may not be happy with the clauses, either way. But in this case, I am happy. I want to draft an email accepting.
I'm not on click agreements. It's okay.
So let's see what Aviator comes up with. So it gives us a starting point. Is it the definitive email I want to send? No. But it is absolutely a starting point to get me going on whatever that activity is.
Sure.
So the last thing I want to do, Mark, before I pass it back to you, is translate this email to, and I'm going to let you pick it.
Dutch.
Dutch. This is the first time I'm actually typing. We'll let Aviator do its thing. Takes a while to convert to Dutch. And there you have it.
All right. You have to read it?
I can't.
Yes.
That's the beauty. I don't need to read it. I know the answer is correct.
We're in the UK. Can we do pirate?
We can try. Let's try pirate. I didn't know that was an official language of the UK, but we'll try it.
I'm not sure you spelled it right.
Oh, what do I call it? Purist?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, boy.
This is going to be it.
Let's see what this comes up with. It's still Dutch. Yes. Let's try one more time. This is why we don't want to type in real time. I still can't get it right. Let's try that again. And here it comes. Having a little trouble with pirate, you think?
Yeah, well,
no,
let's see what it comes back with.
Don't worry, it's coming. There you go. Ahoy, matey.
Rob Renna, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.